Sometimes, you know, you wake up in the morning and you're like, I gotta deal with Shelby. Come here. I love the rough. Hit me harder. Oh, I'm so turned on. God.
Way up we go. Been up and down that road. Way up,
Go check it out. It's pretty cool. Where's my sister? So here's the thing for today. I'm waiting on my sister to come out. It's not my fault. I'm not late today. I'm on time. I got in the car at 12:25. I had to pick up Shelby first and then Colt. Then I'm taking my sister to someplace near and not sponsored. I don't know. But you should probably hit that subscribe button and the like button, you know? I mean, like, why wouldn't you? Come on, focus. There's a lot of cool things that we're doing, you know? And we have some cool stuff planned in the future. So I can't keep reminding you to go hit that subscribe button and the like button, but I can. Wait, that's what I'm doing right now. I keep telling you guys, just do it, so then you guys get to see the cool stuff that we're coming up with in the future. I can't tell you, no spoilers, but go subscribe. Kids, if you're watching this, don't speed and don't vlog. Oh, swear to God, if he turns around, I'm gonna kill him. I wouldn't kill a cop. What? I'm human peace. All about human peace, man. This cop has literally been targeting the people, the citizens of this neighborhood. He's a sneaky little. He's a sneaky little bitch, and I don't like him. And I know what car he drives and what his whole routine is. One second. He's headed towards blank, and he's driving the same car over community. Not sponsored.
Boy, we've been out here since 10:25.
I said 10:30.
Yes, you're supposed to be here at 10:30. That's what you said. You're gonna be here at 10:30.
No, I didn't answer that question.
Yes, you did. You said I was gonna make them wait.
Yeah, meaning I would leave at 10:30.
Colton said you better be here at 10:30 because you had to pick him up.
Oh, right. It was not my fault, it was my sister's.
Well, why'd you say I left and then call me 5 minutes later and then you didn't leave?
I did leave.
No, then you called me and said I just left.
Yeah.
Boy!
Calm down.
Cold!
Oh, what were you doing outside?
Waiting on you! Yes.
Oh, mother. Hi. So how was your morning?
Pretty good.
Yeah, Shelby had a really bad morning.
It wasn't really bad, it was stressful.
Sorry.
Is it your phone?
It's not gonna say
Phone call completed.
And what is up with you with so many questions? Like, who's that? Who? Allison. Who's that?
Because why would you want to hang out with her?
What do you mean?
Colton was the one that was supposed to be taking her on a date, and like you don't even talk to her, and then all of a sudden you're like.
After Lito's Pizza, I talked to her. I did that photo shoot for her. We hanged out. What was the else thing? Yeah.
Alright, whatever. It just seemed really out of the blue for you to ask to hang out with her.
Yo, I hang out with a bunch of girls. You know what I'm saying?
Alright,
Subscribe.
well.
Oh no. I almost killed my best friend.
Where's your sister?
She's on her way, man.
We don't have time for that.
Yes.
Where do you think we could just pull time out of our? How do you think we could pull time out of our?
If I ever have kids and they act
Where are we going? Beep beep. Go, you better get in the car now.
Come.
Why didn't you haven't you put your tags on yet?
Because
your other ones are expired?
Thank you. I didn't have eyes in my bald head to tell me they're expired. It's unusual now.
So are you gonna quit your job?
Which
I'm not
job?
quitting mine.
Which one?
The school.
No, I don't have to quit. I just don't have to deal with you.
Alright. You forget that I have more connections with Miss than you do.
Oh wow.
guys have
your life
orgies
hell.
on Saturdays? And do you guys do your nails on Sundays?
No.
And do you suck each
Thursdays
other's
and
toes on
Fridays.
Monday?
It was funny, you know, but still, I'm pretty sure
We gotta
get some
turn.
shit for that one.
I know.
Turn!
Wait, what the?
Turn!
I am. I'm on the lane.
No, you're supposed to turn into the woods.
Oh. My sister really.
She actually thought you were it in.
Yeah, my sister held on to things. She's like, ah! I mean, hey, I'm crazy on the weekends. I don't know. We're here at non-sponsored. You guys are so slow. Get a move on it.
Are you guys shooting a video?
Maybe. You want to be in it?
What kind of video are you shooting?
Oh, we're just vloggers. We do YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah, we just basically go around places, just flip the screen and be like, hey, I'm here.
Okay, West Africa.
Yeah, West
I love my
Africa
country,
support.
I love Nigeria. I love Africa. God bless Africa. God bless America too, man.
He says everything about
Africa is
Africa.
Mars.
Oh, you're cool.
Yeah.
This is really what we came all the way to Baltimore for,
Next
sis.
time I'm just like, you know, I thought it was fun going all together.
We live
You know.
like by 3 subways.
We do live.
How many subways did we
do
drive by
live
to
3
get
minutes
here?
from a subway.
Not sponsored.
Not so.
This one is different.
Why?
It's special. You know why?
Who's Rima? It's the questions you should be asking. Is she cute?
She owns this place?
Why is my ass wet?
Alright, so everyone's being a little salty. We're just having a SDC family picnic.
With no food.
With what?
With no money.
Yo.
First off, we live near like 20 million subways. We come all the way to Baltimore for a subway. Second, none of us brought money.
You forgot to say non-sponsored.
Non-sponsored, my bad.
This is gonna be fun. We're waiting for a friend of my sister's who owns the subway, so we could be hooked up with free subway. And if we do, I gotta say, this is our first sponsor. Yeah, they do you a good and you promote their store. Alright, so we're officially now sponsored by Subway. No, not really. Only the Subway right here. She's such a sweet lady. She literally gave us free food.
It's not for everyone.
Not for everyone, only for SDC, okay? We have a contract with her stating the fact that she she sponsors
Our stomachs.
our stomachs.
Blatant lies.
This is, but we did get free food, and
Yeah,
I'm
that's
happy.
true. We
That's
did
true.
get free
I feel horrible, but you know, who doesn't like free food? We got free food because of my sister, of course.
Yeah, not because of what we did.
Yeah, we're horrible people. Oh, by the way, her brother's a piece of.
Probably he'll say it like in a joke, but
He
it's
said he's
still-
never said I love you to her, and then he hates her.
Yeah, but he said he never said I love you for specific
You're like,
because
I
of the
don't
reason
care
he
about
just
her.
doesn't say that.
Okay, yeah, but he also always said about how much he hated her.
Are you in love with his wife or something? Why are you so feisty now?
I'm just saying I don't remember that.
Okay, well, you don't remember a lot of things because you're a boy.
Oh, thanks.
Wait, am I taking the right road?
Yes!
Well, in that case, we're totally because there's traffic. I can put my light bar on.
Oh, son of a.
That's what she said, but she saw your face. Ladies and gentlemen, we were late to work because of Shelby. She said 222. Oh, sorry, 252. With our language. Say it again. Say it again.
No, you say it. I want to hear you say it.
Rande, ampati, rande.
You don't know how to say it?
I don't know. I don't know the numbers. I don't know how to say that. It's good.
Chandalamali.
Oh wow, that's actually pretty good though. He's pretty good.
Chandalamali.
Why did your tongue do that? That's so weird.
Namaskaram.
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 You said namaskaram.
She said it.
Namaste.
If you listen closely, all his spelling is like weird.
Yeah, I know. His
But it
tongue
sounds
goes
like he's saying it. It was
I'm so close.
Vendikia.
Vendikia.
Vendekina.
Wait, what?
നമ്മൾ സ്കൂളിലോട്ട് പോണം.
Something about school? You say something about school?
She's actually really good.
നമ്മൾ സ്കൂളിലോട്ട് പോണം.
I hate to break to you guys, but I majored in
That was good, dude.
Full on try, right?
Annapolis.
Onnopolis?
She said, yeah, me too.
We went to Baltimore.
Say it.
Baltimore.
That was good.
Say we went to Baltimore.
Baltimore.
We went to say it. We went to Baltimore.
We went to Baltimore.
Wow, he really tried.
What do you mean? I
He
said
really
Baltimore.
tried because he never
I
says
don't
it like
get
that.
it. It's
Can you say aluminum?
Illuminati.
What is the pedal on the right called?
Accelerator.
That's not what you normally say.
Yes,
What
it
the
is.
heck?
Yes, it is.
Oh, it is. Accelerator.
What do you call a shopping cart? Damn it.
What?
What?
Shopping.
I don't understand. What was the whole point?
Actually?
No.
Oh, God.
I was like, that's crazy.
Slow down.
I drive a manual. Thank you.
You're in lines.
Am I?
Yeah, go straight. Okay.
Straight and back.
Back to the left.
Now go.
Stop!
I don't know what I'm doing.
Stop!
Like if you met a dog that has like LSD in his pockets, it's him. Anyways, today was fun. We went to Sub A, we had some free subs.
Me right here.
What's wrong with you guys? Anyways, today was a fun day. Please go subscribe to our the channel SDC. Had a fun day. Go subscribe and hit the like button.
Way up we go. Been up and down that road. Way up.
My ears! Why do you keep doing that? She did it once. We were in recording, and then she. Oh! Get out! Get out! Open the 2 doors I have and get the. Eat her out! Colton! Colton! Security! I'm about to open the freedom panels and just eject the out of you.
No.
I swear to God, if you're a company that installs ejector seats, hit me up. I can't pay you, babe. I can't pay you, but I will sponsor you. No, wait, I can't sponsor you. You will sponsor me, and I will do goods for you. I will get on my knees with my camera and say, "Go subscribe to."
That's not where I thought that was going.